What is 0.03% as a fraction in simplest form? So we can rewrite it. Instead of percentage, you can write 1 over 100. So now multiply top number together 0.03 and bottom number together. So this 10, 100, these are called power of 10. So to divide a decimal by power of 10, just count the number of zeros and move the decimal from right to left equal to that number of zeros. Number of zeros here 2. So you need to move decimal from right to the 2 places. 1 plus 2 plus. There is no 0 here, so you have to place a placeholder 0. Decimal 0003. Now you need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep this decimal and write the number you are getting. And for denominator, for every digit after decimal, you have to consider 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to write 410. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can delete this 0. Now look 3, multiply this 1, 1, 1, 1 means 1. 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 4, 0. 3 has only two factor 1 and 3. 1 times 3 3. There is no factor between this. So 3 is a prime number. If you get one prime number either in numerator or denominator, it will be easier to simplify. The common factor between 3 and 10,000 is just 1. So you can say that this is the lowest term or simplest form.